Alright y'all, well that's today's catch. Absolutely beautiful brookie. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful day here in Western Newfoundland, and today is going to be my last trout fishing trip for the year. As many of you know, if you watched my videos before, I live right on the Humber River, and the Humber River is a scheduled salmon river. Now fishing season closes in about a couple days. I'm gonna do something I actually always wanted to do since buying my grandfather's house. I'm gonna take my canoe, I'm gonna take my fly rod and my salmon fishing license. I'm gonna go upriver where I know there's a brook that stems off of the Humber River, and I'm gonna do some fly fishing for some brook trout. It's late in the year, they should be in the brooks for spawning. I'm feeling like I want a meal of trout today. If we catch any keeper size, I'm gonna bring them home. I'm gonna pull a few spuds at the garden, and we're gonna have a delicious lunch. So stay tuned for this one. It's one I've been wanting to do for a while, and I hope you enjoy. So the last time I actually used this canoe was probably 2 years ago. When I stored it after that season, I never stored it properly, and some snow actually came on it and actually crushed the frame a bit, and now she's bowed up a bit in the center, but it's not too bad. We should be able to manage. Well, it's been a long time since I was out for a trip by myself. Most of the summer's been fishing trips, and I've been with other people, family and friends, and I love that. I love getting out, not only making a video, but making memories. But today is my last day out for Labor Day break, and I just thought to myself, something I always wanted to do this summer was just get out here on the river and paddle up and try for a trout on the fly rod. And also, being by myself, I get to give you guys some channel updates, I guess, what's going on in the future. Some stuff going on in my life, personal life, exciting stuff, but I'll be sure to share that with you guys with a cup of tea in my hand. So we are in the stream. We're facing a bit of a head-on wind, westerly wind, but it's only about a foot and a half of water here. So I'm going to get up here so far, and I'm going to walk the canoe the rest of the way. This is about a 3-mile round trip. I'll put the distance in kilometers what that is now. I'm not sure the conversion. Alright y'all, well I got my salmon vest on me, all my salmon tags, got my fly rod, so technically this is scheduled waters, but I'm not targeting salmon, I'm targeting some of my native brook trout. See if we can fish this here. Seems like there's a deep pocket the way the stream curves. See if we get a couple trout on the fly. As you can tell, it's starting to rain, one thing I kind of feared for. And it looks like it might pass. So I'm gonna set up my canoe now up on the bank, see if I can take a bit of shelter for a little bit until the rain passes. I got no rain gear. Should have brought some, but hey. Alright y'all, well the rain seemed to die off a bit, but I'm gonna take this time I guess to make a cup of tea. I brought along the kettle and a tea bag, so that's what I'm gonna do to wait out just a little bit of rain. So I guess after this trip, like I said, it does it for me for trout fishing and salmon fishing the year. I had one catch and cook on my channel there. That was absolutely delicious. And if we get in it today, I might do another one, but right now that's not looking too good. So some channel updates that we got coming. Moose hunting's around the corner. Super excited. Out of the group that we usually go hunting with, only 2 people got a license a year. Jarrett has a bull only license, and Jarrett's dad got an either sex license, Uncle Harvey. So with any luck, we'll be able to get on 2 of those hunts. Uncle Harvey is actually my pop's brother. So yeah, super excited for moose hunting. So for as many of you know, there's probably just as much that don't know. Me and my beautiful wife Anita are expecting. There's a little baby boy coming. Christmas Day is their due date. Yeah, we're super duper excited. I'm gonna have a little hunting and fishing buddy. A lot of changes are gonna be happening in life. I don't say I'll be getting out in the new year as much. Obviously with our little baby boy on the way. I can't wait to be a dad. I never thought in a million years I would be a dad, but the Lord has blessed me with a little one on the way, and we're praying that all things are gonna go well. And again, we're super excited. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I made a post there a couple days ago that's saying that I'm going to be taking a bit of 4-week break after this video. It's been a pretty crazy summer, as you can imagine, being able to doing a lot of videos and that, and I love it. Wouldn't change it for the world, but the break between fishing and hunting season is usually a bit slow. And actually views have been a bit slow for me with the last 2 months. That's not why I do it. I love getting out and just sharing my adventures. Actually, I'm probably the one who watches my channel the most. My wife will tell you, a lot of the evenings I just get back and just watch old videos and relive those memories again, and I love doing that. But yeah, like I said, I'll be taking about a 4-week break now after this video until moose hunting season starts. It's going to be well needed, but I'm going to be ready to come back strong as ever with some moose hunting videos. Seems like that's the ones that usually are the most viewed on my channel. So I'm super excited for moose hunting, but this 4-week break is going to be well needed. Well, that was a delicious cup of tea. The rain's holding off a tiny bit, still pecking it there, but I think I'm going to walk upriver and see if we can get on a couple trout. Let's do it. Some fresh moose tracks. Now, I thought I could wade across here, but my rubber's out. I was mistaken. Well guys, that is the first brook trout of the day. In my opinion, these guys are the most beautiful fish. Look at the red dots with those blue halos. Beautiful fin here with the white stripe. I walked about 1.5 kilometers up this brook and I seen this here really dark pocket. I threw at my bug with the camera was on me and I seen one come for it. And I threw the fly out there again. I was literally sight fishing for him. I seen him swim up from the bottom, I seen him grab it, and then I slowly set the hook. Man, he's a beautiful trout. I only want one for a meal. If I get a couple more for a catch and release, that'll be awesome. Alright y'all, I'm just gonna build a little pen here. Some bigger rocks, that way he won't flow out the river. That was awesome. This brook trout number 2 of the day. Let's get a release on this guy. Alright y'all, well, I'm done fishing for the day. I only caught 2 fish, like I said. I rose a couple more down the stream a bit more, but I'm not here to be greedy or take more than I want. All I need is 1 fish. So I'm gonna head back down river. It's probably gonna be about a 15-minute walk and hop in the canoe and head on home, and we're gonna cook that trout up. So stay tuned for that, and let's head back to the canoe. That's today's catch. Absolutely beautiful brookie. That's a decent sized brook trout. Well, we are back. Just about to touch the shoreline here. Bit of a fight coming back against that wind on the home stretch, but yeah, let's do it. Alright y'all, we're in the garage. It's been cleaned up and a lot of gear has been moved out since you've seen it last, I guess. Got some little touches to make it my own. I got the Newfoundland flag. We got Uncle Jason's moose that he shot last year. You've seen the video on that. Got some Christmas lights hung up. Painted the wood stove. Got the old-fashioned kettle on there. got to put the TV up, so we're gonna play some videos and that in the background. So, you know, it makes it a little more cozy, a little more like mine. So we get the trout here, and we got some spuds here. I'm gonna cook the spuds, roast them in the fire. We get the fire going there now, and we're gonna fry that trout up in the frying pan on our farm maple Saturn stove. Put some oil in with the potatoes, plus a little bit of salt and pepper. All right, Daryl, bye. You're joining us. Pretty good. Take our battered fresh trout out, right in the oil. Alright y'all, well that trout is looking delicious. Crack this here stove up again. Get the kettle on. Spuds are looking done. Alright y'all, well there you have it. We got some fresh caught wild brook trout from the Humber River water system. Man. And some homegrown seasoned fire roasted potatoes. Well guys, that does it for another video, and that does it for the 2024 summer fishing season. Awesome way to end it. It's something I wanted to do all year, and I'm glad I finally got it to do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as I had fun filming it. And if you want to see more videos like this cooking out in the garage, wherever, you let me know. I love being here. So in saying all that, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.